Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some English tips. Look, give attention to what one is seeing. Turn the eyes and see in a certain direction. Example, look at that cute baby. See, use the power of sight. See, here she comes. Watch, look at some activity or event. Keep one's eyes fixed on something. Example, the boys watch television all the afternoon. Gaze, look at something for a long time in surprise or admiration. Example, she gazed at him in disbelief when he told her the news. Stare, look at something for a long time with eyes wide open. Example, she was staring into space. Gawk or gawk, which means to stare impolitely. Example, many people gather to gawk at the crashed car. Gape, which means to look at something with one's mouth open. Example, she gaped at him in surprise. Glance, have a quick look at something. Example, she glanced at her watch. Scan, which means to look quickly at something without careful reading. Example, he scanned the newspaper over breakfast. Glare, which means to stare angrily or fiercely. Example, she didn't answer but just glared silently at me. Glower, look very angrily, annoyed or threatening. Example, you don't need to glower at me like that, you know the rules. Peer, look very carefully as if not able to see well. Example, he peered at me over his spectacles. That's all for today. We'll be back with more English tips. Thank you.